Hello everyone, in this very quick video, we are about to show you a testing of transformer oil using KPM OBD 100 Plus. KPM OBD 100 Plus is a fully automatic transformer oil testing machine. If we want to test any oil sample via IEC or IS standard, so we just need to select and just run the command. As we can see, the moment we pour oil inside the oil test cell and start the start command or select the run command, we can see there is a wait time of 300 seconds. This wait time is initially given so that all the bubbles can go away. Once that wait time is over, then the high voltage cycle starts and the voltage starts building up, and we can see that there is a high voltage rise of 2 kV per second. The moment we see that the breakdown has happened, that value is recorded, and then there is a stirring time. So there is a magnetic stirrer, motor starts and the magnetic stirrer starts stirring the oil sample so that all the impurities between the two electrodes can go away. After stirring, again there is a wait time of 1 minute so that if at all there are few impurities in the oil, they can settle down. Once that cycle is complete, again there is a high voltage rise, and that rise is of 2 kV per second, and again we will be getting this value. So again stirring will happen, and after that again a wait time will be there. So in IEC standard, this thing happens for 6 times, and this whole test happens again and again with that timer 6 times. We are now showing you 6th time so that this video is short and precise. So after 6 times you can see the average value, all the 6 BDB values and standard deviation. Then we can just go over there, give a print command. It's very simple, and all the results will be printed out in just a single click. And now we will be seeing that what information will be there in the printout. So just wait for a while. As we can see that in the printout we can find all the 6 breakdown values, the average value, and then there is a standard deviation along with date and time stamping. So it is a very handy solution, very useful for testing engineers. Thank you.